Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
The banana is that type of fruit that has a high level of potassium. This means that it builds strong muscles and has the ability to scare away the toxins out of your body. In combination with other nutritive ingredients, the banana is highly beneficial and efficient.
Boost your body to burn fat. Use this drink and let's see that fat part ways with your belly. Let us see what are the ingredients needed for this health drink.
Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 orange, half glass low-fat or fat-free yogurt, Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil.
One-fourth of a tablespoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons flax seed, 2 tablespoons whey powder.
Instructions: mix them all in your blender. Blend, pour in a glass, drink and enjoy.
Benefits of potassium. Bananas are a rich source of the vital mineral potassium. One medium banana offers 422 milligrams of potassium. Potassium plays a major role in the body by helping maintain cells, fluid and electrolyte balance and a steady heartbeat. Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news.